Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the lazy cake with easy way and suitable things in the home, and it will be tasty from inside like outside. Now continue the video to see how we'll make it after the intro break. Now the ingredients. Here we have tea biscuit, and you will choose the amount that you will need it. And 700 ml of milk. Three spoons of cacao and 3 spoons of sugar. And here 1 spoon of butter and small spoon of Nescafe and a pinch of vanilla. And here the chocolate that you love it. Here I use Galaxy, and you can choose the chocolate that you love it without any biscuit or any nut. And you have to take care from 3 things to have a perfect cake. You have to take care of the biscuit, cacao, and the chocolate. They have to be good quality and not bad quality. If they are bad quality, the cake will not be perfect at the last. Now we'll see what we'll make. Here I will add all the ingredients in a tray on high heat, and I will mix them together till they get mixed together, and nothing in the tray except the mixture that will be in the end. And after I will stir it and it will get ready, I will close the fire and I will leave it to get cold. Then we will see what we'll make also. Now while the mixture is getting cold, I will start to break the biscuit into pieces, and better to be big, not so small pieces. You will see at the end the size that I make the biscuit to that. Here you can see the biscuit, big size, not so small size, or medium size. And now I have the mixture. You can see I'm leaving it to get cold, and now we'll start to make the designing sauce for the cake. To make the designing sauce, I have 3 spoons of powdered milk, and I have 3 spoons of sugar, and 50 ml of cold water, and 50 ml of vegetable oil, means half cup. Also for a pinch of vanilla, and 3 spoons of cacao. Now I will add all the ingredients in a mixer except the cacao, and I will mix them like 2 times, then I will add the cacao, and you can see now in the video. Also I will not add the vegetable oil, it will be the last step in making the designing sauce. And here after I mix it like 2 times, I will start to add the cacao and I will complete mixing. Also I will not add the vegetable oil till now. And here this is the designing sauce, and I will start now to add the vegetable oil. I will add it in 3 times. Here I add the first amount and I will close and I will mix. Then I will open and I will add the second amount and I will close and I will mix. And I will make the same thing in the third amount with the last amount of the vegetable oil. And here we have the designing sauce. If you feel that it's little heavy, you can add only little amount of the vegetable oil. And here I have the mixture. After it gets cold, I will add the half of the biscuit and I will stir, but carefully because the biscuit will get broken. After I will add this half, I will add the other half and I will stir till I get the mixture that you'll see it after little time. And here I have the mixture cake, and I have the tray that I will make the cake in it, and I add in it some of the foil paper and vegetable oil so the cake will not stick when I'm taking it out. Now I will add the mixture in this tray and I will equal it with the spoon. Then after I make it, I will add some of the designing sauce, so when I'm taking it out of the fridge, its surface will be equal. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos and like for it also. And if you have any recipe that you want me to upload it in the channel, you can write it in the comment of the last video that I uploaded, and I will make a video on it and I will upload it for you. Here I have the cake. You can enter it in the fridge now and you can leave it for 2 or 3 hours the time that you want, or you can make it in the night and leave it till the next day. Now I will enter it in the fridge and I'll come back after I take it out. And here after I take the cake out of the fridge, I will start to design it. I will add the chocolate sauce and I will design it with it. And I will add some of the coconut. You will see how I will design it, and you will see the result in the last of the video. Now I will cut a piece of the cake so you can see the cake from inside, and it's very tasty. Also its shape good. And now I will cut a piece and you can see its shape from inside. And here the result, we have the lazy cake, and you make it with the little ingredients and with easy way. So don't forget to try it, and you can make it in a birthday, you can make it for your family. It will be very tasty and everyone will like it in the home. So don't forget to try it. Subscribe to my channel, like for the video, and share it for all your friends and family. Write your comment. Now bye, see you in the next video.